Gardeners often focus on soil, sun, and water, but the most profound difference in a plant's life can happen before the seed even touches earth. Before sowing, seeds rest in a quiet, dormant state. Tiny miracles packed with potential. We usually take seeds for granted, but their journey from dry speck to seedling is the most perilous stage. What if we could help them before they sprout? Some gardeners are exploring a method that sounds like science fiction, using copper coils to give seeds an energetic boost. This practice, called electro-priming or electroculture, isn't magic. It's an experimental technique rooted in the idea that a subtle electrical field might awaken dormant life. It challenges us to look beyond soil, water, and light, and consider unseen forces at the very start of a plant's journey. This isn't a guaranteed trick for perfect crops, but a gentle, curious experiment. It's about trying something new, not expecting miracles, but enjoying the mystery of growth. Gardening is both art and science. There's always something new to learn and wonder about. So, let's pause, set aside our trowels, and consider this fascinating first step. Sometimes the smallest changes at the beginning can make all the difference. Let's see what happens when we give seeds a little extra encouragement. Every gardener knows the frustration of uneven seedlings. Some thrive, others lag behind. The issue is rarely the seed itself, but the start it gets. Early stage vigor is critical. A strong start gives plants a huge advantage. In the first days, seedlings must push roots down and shoots up, using all their stored energy. If this process falters, seedlings are vulnerable to drought, weeds, and disease. Research confirms. Plants that germinate quickly and uniformly grow into healthier, more productive adults. When seedlings emerge together, they form a solid canopy, shading out weeds and sharing resources equally. A staggered start creates competition, leaving latecomers struggling. The goal isn't just to get seeds to grow, but to help them grow together, strongly, from the start. Supporting this crucial phase pays dividends all season long. Give your plants the best chance to reach their potential. So, how can we give seeds a better start? Enter electro-priming. It's simple. Expose seeds to a gentle electrical field before sowing to stimulate their internal processes. Scientists have studied this. Mild electrical exposure can boost enzyme activity and help seeds absorb water faster, triggering quicker germination. Less time vulnerable in the soil means a stronger start. In labs, precise equipment is used, but gardeners are experimenting with simpler methods. The humble copper coil offers a way to try electro-priming at home. No engineering degree required. It's about giving seeds a nudge, not a shock. Let's see how this simple tool fits into the gardener's toolkit. Using a copper coil to treat seeds brings science into the hands of gardeners. Copper, a natural conductor, may focus subtle environmental energies around seeds. The coil doesn't generate power. It simply creates a gentle, passive energy field. Seeds rest inside the coil for a day or two after soaking, absorbing this subtle influence. The process is low-tech. Wrap copper wire around a jar, place soaked seeds inside, and wait. Results aren't guaranteed or dramatic. This is an experiment, not a miracle cure. The appeal is in its simplicity and holistic approach to plant growth. It's about working with nature's energies, however subtle, to support life. Sometimes a gentle nudge is all a seed needs. Let's be honest, there's solid science behind electrical stimulation for plants, but most research uses controlled, powered systems. Lab studies show electrical fields can boost root growth and nutrient uptake, but these setups are far more precise than a passive copper coil. The energy from a simple coil is subtle and hard to measure. There's a gap between proven science and garden experimentation. Little formal research exists on passive copper coils for seed priming. Does it work? The scientific verdict is still out. For now, it's an experiment. Results vary, influenced by many factors. Don't expect miracles. See it as a point of curiosity. Try it for yourself, but keep your expectations realistic. Gardening is about exploration as much as results. The best way to understand this is to try it yourself. All you need: pure copper wire, 2 jars, seeds, and curiosity. Make a coil by wrapping copper wire around a jar or dowel. 5 or 6 turns is enough. Prepare 2 groups of seeds, one for the coil, one as a control. Soak both groups in water for a few hours. After soaking, place one batch inside the copper coil, the other in a similar dish without a coil. Keep both in the same conditions for 24-48 hours. Then, sow both batches in clearly labeled pots or rows. Water gently and observe. The key is comparison. Watch for differences between the 2 groups. This is simple, hands-on experimentation. You don't need fancy equipment, just a willingness to observe. Let your garden be your laboratory. Once sown, observation is everything. Track how quickly each group germinates. Do the coiled seeds sprout faster? Note the uniformity. Do treated seeds emerge together, forming an even stand? Uniform emergence means less competition and a more consistent crop. After a week or 2, gently compare root systems. Are coiled seedlings more vigorous? Be objective. Dramatic or subtle, every result teaches you something. Keep notes and photos to document your findings. The goal isn't to prove anything, but to learn from your own garden. This is citizen science at its best. Every experiment adds to your gardening wisdom. Experimenting with copper coils is fun, but never forget the basics. Even the best primed seed needs healthy, living soil to thrive. Soil is a living ecosystem, full of microbes, worms, and organic matter. Good soil structure lets roots breathe and access water. The coil may help seeds sprout, but soil sustains them for life. Focus on building soil fertility with compost, mulch, and organic matter. The real magic happens in the soil, season after season. Support your seeds, but nurture your soil above all. Gardening teaches us we can't force growth. We can only create the best conditions. We offer good soil, water, light, and sometimes a gentle nudge, like a copper coil. But the life force is within the plant itself. The garden asks us to be patient, observant, and to work with nature, not against it. Electro-priming isn't about forcing results, but offering quiet encouragement. The real reward is in curiosity and care, not just bigger harvests. Try new things, watch closely, and enjoy the process. Be a steward, not a commander. Let your plants grow in their own way. The joy of gardening is watching nature flourish under your care. Support, observe, and celebrate every small wonder in your garden.